June 12, 2025, Ahmedabad. Air India Flight AI171, a Boeing 787 Dreamliner to London, crashed just moments after takeoff. In 32 incredibly fast seconds, 241 people on board and 29 on the ground died. Only one person survived. The pilot's last message was, "No power, no thrust, going down." But wait, what if we could go back? Could the flight AI171 have been saved? Let us quickly go over the facts. Flight AI171, a 12-year-old Boeing 787 Dreamliner, started its trip from Ahmedabad airport at around 1:38 pm. This was a normal flight meant to take passengers to London, but just 32 seconds after it left the ground, the plane tragically crashed into the BG Medical College hostel building. So many lives were lost. Out of 242 people on board, including pilots and the crew, 241 died, and it wasn't just them. 29 innocent people on the ground were also killed, like 5 medical students who were just starting their lives. Amazingly, a 40-year-old passenger named Vishwas Kumar Ramesh was the only one who survived. In those final moments, a part of the plane called Ram air turbine also popped out. This small propeller usually comes out in serious emergencies to give some backup power. Investigators are now very carefully looking through the black boxes, which are like the plane's flight recorders. These help us to understand every tiny detail of those last moments. When a plane fails that fast, it forces us to look at every weak spot, every chance where safety could have been much more stronger. This sudden, terrible crash just makes us wonder, could this really have been avoided? The pilot's last words show a sign of either system or engine failure, and it wasn't noticed before the plane even left the gate. But what if the plane itself could shout a warning? Imagine computers so incredibly smart, they could find even the tiniest hidden problem before the flight takes off, predicting serious engine trouble and giving enough time to stop. We are talking about constant, super smart health checks for every part. Could a warning like that caught by these advanced systems have simply kept the flight on the ground that day? Yet, even the smartest machines need human attention. Could pilots be even better prepared for the absolute worst? In those terrible 32 seconds, with all power gone at a low height, Captain Sabharwal faced an impossible situation. But what if pilots trained for this exact nightmare? Picture simulators so real, they prepare crews for things you can barely imagine, letting them practice that split-second decision to guide a powerless plane to a safer spot. Could this intense training have given them a tiny chance? Finally, a bigger heartbreaking question. Even when everything goes terribly wrong, how can we possibly protect the innocent people on the ground? The flight crashed right into the BG Medical College hostel, causing 29 tragic deaths on the ground. This painful event really highlights a major concern. When planes crash near busy city airports, innocent people below face huge, unimaginable danger. So what if city planners around airports actually made sure to include special empty emergency landing areas? In those worst-case situations, a pilot could try very hard to steer a failing plane away from homes and schools. This isn't about saving the plane, it's deeply about saving lives on the ground. Even if the flight couldn't be saved, the smarter city design might have made the terrible impact a little less severe. So after hearing all this, what are your thoughts on what might make future flights even much safer? Share your ideas in the comments below. I'd really love to hear what you think. And if this discussion was helpful for you, please like and subscribe for more videos, and definitely share this with someone who might find it interesting.